This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good evening. Is there any doubts for the last class? So yesterday I've sent some of the notes regarding for Google site. I don't know how many of you gone through that. So Google site is a web-based tools that allows to create a website when we compare to CMS, and this is very user friendly. So most of the times the individual used to prefer this Google site, especially organization individuals. So wide range of organization used to prefer this. So because if they have a personal website, personal blogs and portfolio, and for event pages, they used to prefer to work on Google site. And also the small kind of businesses which are going to prefer this Google site, creating a simple company website and project pages for customers portal, so on so on. And educational institutions also used to prefer this Google site to create a web page or websites. And like teachers and students used to have a Google site to create a classroom website, e-portfolio, and also project sites, so on so on. And corporate teams also used to prefer, so internal project management and also team collaborations, and also company intranets purpose. So it's a different point of view. And non-profit organization and community, if they have a group, so they used to share some informations and coordinate with the events, and coordinate with the coordinate with the members. Then they used to prefer this Google site. And there'll be if there is a projects and project managers to create a project dashboards and also sharing the progress updates, then Google site used to prefer. And event organizer also used to create a website using this platform, so event pages with the schedules, registration forms, so on so on. So this is how the people used to select Google site to create a website. So I am also using this Google site for creating the web pages or website. So now Google site, which is going to offer from for special features like user-friendly interfaces, real-time collaborations, and integrations with the Google Workspace, and also responsive uh, designs, like which is going to work for different sizes when you have a smartphone and tablets and desktop computers, laptop computers, automatically optimizing and also viewing on different devices, so that we can use to prefer. And customization options, so whichever you would like to feel, you can user can take that text, images, videos, maps, and so on so on. So that is your customization option, so practically we will see later. And permission and also sharing features also available. So granular control over the you, so who can use to view and also edit and cite the particular person. As you promote them, as you delegate them, then people can able to work with the team publicly, and also people can work with your project also. Then versions history also available here, and embedded features are available, so no coding requirement here. So HTML, CSS, or any JavaScript, that and all not at all required. So designed for users without any code, so web development skills. So we don't want to prefer any coding system, but if you want, you can have it also later. You can use custom domains, so naming space, yesterday I spoke about the DNS. Okay, so that and all options can be used. So these are the major features of Google site. Then next we have the definition part, like what exactly the Google site is. So Google site is web based tools that allow you to create a web pages or web collections of web pages that makes that website without need uh, any coding part like HTML or CSS and all. So even web development skills also not required. So it is a completely, it's a part of your Google Workspace suite, and it is designed to be user friendly and offering some of the templates for click and dragging and easy to create a site creations, website creations. And Google site, which is also used for various purposes, including, as I told you, personal website and team project sites, company intranet purpose, so on and so on. So user can collaborate with the real-time integrations with the Google services, Google Drive, then Google Docs and Google Calendar, Google Forms, so on and so on. So that we will see one by one how it can be done. So is that okay? So first we will try to understand what is our uh, requirement. So assume this is our first web page. 1 minute. So this is also called as home page. So first web page of your website is called as home page. So this home page must have a logo, means header portions. Okay, so just like so this is come to your logo part. Okay, I wanted to have a logo here. Okay, then you must have buttons like home button. Then next you have about us. Okay, then contact us. Okay, then why us. Then even you can go for your services or product. So like this you can create some x number of buttons or pages. So this is your first page, and this is about us, you have to create separate page. So this is about first area of your web page. And second block, I have to you have to create images. So image has to slide here. Okay, slider, I have to put slider more than two images. You take how many images you want, then that has to move. has to animate. So this has to work in this area. Then after that, I wanted to have a things like whatever services you are going to providing. So I am going to take uh, computer services kind of things website, like the companies is going to give solution, AMC solution for customers. Okay, like that. I just have chosen this, and here you must have what type of services you are providing. So like laptop services, desktop services, and something like this, different what I can say, CPU services, desktop services, laptop services, so on so on. So that has to come in that area. And next again I have to take one more here itself, which is named that as AMC services here. Okay, so again I'm supposed to have again one more block here. So one, two, three, and this each block must have some image and text, and here also must have image and text, image and text, and again repeat the same thing, image text, image text. So image text. So like this you create. Okay, and one more block also you take. So this is another block. Next again take one more block here. Okay, so after we'll take. So what I would like to take is laptop services centers in Bangalore. So just I'm planning like this. So whatever I'm planning here, I have to bring that into website. Okay, and again take this block 1, block 2, then block 3, again image text, then image text, again image text. So once it is done, again still if that requires take one more block. Okay, so after that you can take bottom of the page. Okay, so I'll be taking one more here, uh, frequently asked questions. So some of the questions, because I wanted to give information for the audience. Okay, then take which are the companies, which are the brands, laptops, desktop, and CCTV brands you will be handling. Okay, like Acer, Apple. Okay, if you have that brands, you can announce it here itself. So what and all brands you can able to repair. Okay, so example like we repair all brands and put a logo. So like this. Okay, then come to bottom. So this is footer information. So these are the major content in this home page. Okay, so what I would like to take is a company name. Okay, so I'll be taking a company name like what I can take, Kaustuba Services Computer and Laptop. Okay, so that is a company name I am going to take, or brand name. Okay, what I would like to start. So this is my company name. So just it is informations I'm giving, and regarding for this you have to create one logo here. Okay, so instead of this I'll be taking here. Okay, then next what I want is about you, about Kaustubha services. Enter some of the informations like are you able to deal with only Bangalore or any other areas, and what type of brands you will be handling, like workstation, without compromising the quality. So like that you give information about yourself and put the contact informations like about address, so on so on. Then services. So like this you create some different part. Is that okay? Then next to one more page you create about us, and again take one more page and name that as contact us. So contact us. So just now I am taking only the three pages, and after that you have to link. Okay, this page has to link towards this button, and again this is also has to be linked to the page. So this linking is called as hyperlink. So your page and button or the text area must be linked. If that not linked, the moment if you not means the when you whenever you click for this text area, the page will not open. So that is the reason you must have a linking concept here. Okay, and target the particular page, and if already created then use it. So next thing is I wanted to bring uh, Google form. I think last class in the first class of digital marketing we I have shown you how we can create a Google form. So create one Google form for Google form and connect in this area. So form is required. So like first name, then last name, then email ID, mobile number, etc. So like this you create, and finally come to last button is submit. So like this you have we have to create one. So now which one should I start first? So you tell me, but I have chosen only three pages. So like this you create other rest of the information. Okay, and you share me the link later, I will show you. Okay, first I used to target only for these things. uh, which one should I start now? So I'm going to take my personal account. So you have a icon from this list. If couldn't able to find, so directly you type sites.google.com. So the address is, yes, it, so sites.google.com. Press enter key after log into your personal account. And you have some templates, as I told you earlier. So I'm going to take the blank one according to my requirement. Okay, so already I've created some of the logo, so I'm going to take logo here. Okay, and upload a logo. Upload a logo. So this is my logo of this area. So just click on this. Next, again you take favicon. Again you click upload. Take one more logo here, add it, and even you can take a different logo also, no problem. So this is your brand things. So close now. See what happened. So Kaustaba's services, computer and laptop. So just have loaded only the logo part. So how we can create logo part in Canva I have shown you. So go to that and specify size and you create it. Okay, now I'm going to take the name. So Kaustuba services.
So the screen
Compute.
is not visible.
1 minute. Kaustuba computer services. I'll be taking computer. Then whatever text blocks you have, so select and delete it if you're not liked. This is your heading portions, and you can upload the images if you want. Okay, but I wanted to have multiple images, and that has to run. Okay, because of that I'll be deleting this header portion. So look at this, the header portion. And then how can I add slide means images? So go to this Elementor. So this is completely, you have a option. So take this image carousel and insert how many images you want. So I'm going to take image sliders. I'm going to selecting and click open and insert it. And do click and drag like this. Next, again go to the settings mode. As I told you, one of the requirement here, the requirement is settings. So go to auto start. Then what is the speed you wanted to have, like very slow or medium? So in which manner you want, you take. For example, let it be the medium itself. So click update. So this one is created. Okay, so the two criteria is applied here. So number one, logo we have added, then slider we have added. Next I wanted to add repair services. Okay, so how do I take the block? So to take the block, so here you have an option. So click on this, the blocks in the right hand side, the text block, image block you have. Okay, even if you wanted to have added text, you can add the text later. I will show you, but before, only if you wanted to add the text, so directly click the text box and add it. Okay, so now what I want to add it, uh, repair services. So take that repair services. Okay, and change the font color. So font color, let it be in black. And set this to center alignment. Then take this title, make this bold and reduce the font size around 24. I'll be taking. Still, if you not like the same font, so you try to change it. These are all Google fonts. So select font and change it. So you move up and just click and drag. This is what I said. Click and drag, user friendly. Okay, this is right now I've selected as a title, so make this as a heading portion and make this bold. And still, if you are looking for any color, so what you can do, so take the color style and apply it. So then you can increase little bit font size. Okay, then reduce the font, means line space, remove space after paragraph, then remove space before paragraph. So like this, reduce the size. So next, what I want to have is, I wanted to have some images here. Okay, so upload the image, and even you can take YouTube URL also. So I'll be taking the first block images. So take that number one, next number two, number three, change the first one. So now by mistakenly I've loaded some of this image. So then how do you do this? How do you delete? So just you select this content and go to, directly you can delete, or else you can change to the other image. So like this, and there is an option called as auto fit. Okay, so select it and make this to uh, uncrop. Okay, that will take the original size. So select and take this uncrop. So now I have added most of the things, and take the next one here. So what I would like to take is laptop services. So this is laptop services, and go to this option, remove the line space after and before paragraph, and set this center alignment. Next, make this bold. Okay, and repeat the same parameters for second also, and third also. Okay, but I don't want to be a laptop, so you change this laptop to desktop. So here you take desktop, and next you take CCTV. So CCTV repair thing, and this is laptop. So it's ready to go now. So now I wanted to put some text here. Okay, so to load the text, you type and set this to center. So center alignment. Next, again repeat the same steps. You type your repair technology, how you will be handling. Again, set that alignment. Okay, and go to the third portions, something like this. Set this to center. Okay, then again, if you don't like that alt text button, so even directly you can delete it from this. Okay, so I'll be deleting the stuff. So delete it. So the same thing, if I wanted to repeat, so what you do, again, don't waste your time, directly select, duplicate the section. So after duplicating, click and drag to the bottom. Okay, again change the color. In this case, I'll be taking some images. See the gallery, whichever you like, so that you select. Okay, so now I'll be taking AMC services. So AMC services, and set this line space to 1.5 or single, and here also you reduce that line space. Select, so edit line space, single line space. Next, again, I wanted to repeat the same images and something like this. Again, I'll be making this duplicate. Okay, so select the blog, or else you select it, just you click and drag. So click and drag. So what I would like to do is I would like to replace the image again. So select the first image block and replace it. So go to the second block here, take this, and again select, replace, replace. So reduce the size, go to replace. So which image is not loaded? Yeah, that is the same one. Again, make confirm once again. Yeah, same. So next is I wanted to have text. Okay, below that AMC area. So take the text block and type, and increase means convert that text into heading lines. Make this bold and set this to 14, and delete line space, set this to single line space, then okay, that's all, and change the font color as you liked. Okay, now how do you bring this text to the bottom of this area? Just you click and drag and leave it. See what happens. So it is added now. So after that, take desktop services, next laptop services. Okay, already it's there. So I'll be taking some of the text part area. So just like this, set this to center, and in place of laptop, take this, then CCTV. So this is the basic stuff is over. Is that okay? So again, if you wanted to edit edit this, so you can go back and let's say this navigation or navigation toolbar. If you don't like this transparency, set this to white or black, however you like, and say this the changes has been applied here. Okay, but still if you are looking for the navigation is to be in white, and you can take that into white. Okay, so I'll be taking this navigation into the black color, so close it. Then okay, next, suppose I wanted to have some images here. Suppose if you wanted to have some images, so what you can do, just click and drag, add the content. So delete, take this image, so make ensure where it's adding, it's not adding anywhere, so just you click and drag. So in this case I'm going to take this as an example, so just click and drag. It's not required, just only for, so set this alignment, so only for the option wise, just I'm telling you, if you don't want immediately you can delete it if not required. Okay, and you have so many options here. Suppose now if I wanted to have some buttons in between, so click this button and you type. So this is called as action button, CTA button. So read more, and you link the page after creating that, then that is redirecting later on. Okay, the next thing is take one more block if you want, like where you will be providing services. So how do you do that? So take the text box and add this. Okay, again you have to repeat the same steps. Instead of that, what I will be doing, I'll be copying the same thing means make duplicate and bring down. So scroll down, just click and drag. Okay, so in place of AMC services, I'll be taking laptop service centers in Bangalore. So that's your choice. So take the text color and remove the line space. Set this to single line space. Remove line space after paragraph, then before paragraph. And set the color theme as you liked. So just like this. And you have some text like so something like this. You put some detailed text which I've already copied, just I've pasted in this case, and put a line space, make this bold, I think it's not good, and take 1.25. Okay, this is good, and remove unwanted line space here. That's all. So now the complete stuff is over. Okay, so next you take proficiency services. So like this, take an image, upload. So this is the third block what I am selecting from this area. Okay, so I'm going to take the first one and also the second one, and you can repeat some if you don't like the same style, so delete that and select the four container. Okay, so image 1, image 2, image 3, and put the detail text number 1, and make this to crop, means uncrop the original size which is going to be replacing. Okay, and take this. So this is how we can place it. Okay. Now the time is to add text here. So do, so what I want to have is proficient services. Set this in the center, then line space is to one, remove the line space after and before. So select, do copy paste, repeat, repeat, repeat. So one is master technicians, I'll be taking in place of here master technicians. Then accessible block, next cardiac support. So like this you can put some text. close it. Is it okay? And finally, come to the main block, laptop services in Bangalore. uh, Take some text block just like this and add some text in detail concept and set this to center alignment. Then set this to again 12 as you want. So this is completely professional looks after creating. When you view the preview, you can understand. It's not good. Go to 1.15, make this bold. Okay, so this is okay now. If everything is that okay, then last one I'm going to take, suppose if you have a Google map, so that you can take Google map also. So the tech mentor what you created earlier, that Google map also you can take. So go to my map. So here tech mentor, so something like this I'll be taking. So select it, just click and drag. Once it is done, click and drag. But that must be available in your Gmail ID. Okay. So now I would like to see the preview of this area. So go to publish. This is your web address and see the link, http sites.google.com/view/ Kaustubha computer, like this. But if you wanted to have your own name, then you have to go for manage your domain. So you have to start up here and you have to purchase and you have to link that domain naming system after purchasing, and it will work according to your domain name. Okay, so right now I will be taking this is the link right now. Just do copy, publish. Okay, so here you can view published site. Go to this published site. So this is your first series. Automatically the slides, means the images is moving. Then scroll down and again scroll down, and whatever you have entered, all the blocks, you have all the details including Google Map. This is your first page. Okay, sir, you have doubts, sir, again how we can create multiple pages. So according to our block diagram, I think I'll be redirecting. So this is the first page, home page is created. Now I wanted to create about us page and a contact us page. So how do I create multiple pages now? So to create this, there is an option called So click the page now. Is it available? So click the pages and there's a plus sign. So click new page. So in this new page you type about us and you click done. So the second page is created. Then go to add one more contact page, contact us. Click OK. So could you see automatically the buttons are added here. You don't want to add it again. So but here is still is not published. So how do I get that? So what you do is click again publish. Any changes if you made, immediately you have to publish, and which will show you the drafted one and also currently working one, and see the changes here and click publish. Then after that go to view published site. But the page is empty till now for about us and contact us. It's not there is no content here. When you click for home and you have this concept. Is it okay? So now let's see how to add contents for contact us and about us. So have a 5 minutes of break and we'll start again, and list out if you have any doubts. Hi. Is there any doubts which I've created for the first page? Okay, so now I'll be taking contact us. So in the contact us page, we'll try to take a image now. But before that, search for a good image. So pixabay.com. So in the pixabay.com, you search contact us. You type directly the keyword contact us. Press enter key. So I think this is the best picture. Okay, okay, 1 minute. So scroll down. Mm, so click on this, then download it. So you don't want to pay anything. So directly click download. So browse, go to download and select and click enter. Yeah. Then you take a text, contact us, and change this to title or heading. Set this to center alignment. Increase this font size. So now I wanted to bring a form now. So how can I create open forms.google.com? So click the blank one. So type the name, contact us, set this to bold, and put the first question, first name, bold, let it be short, then again last name, select, bold, next you put a mail ID, again short text, automatically is identified, but you make this entry, so people should not skip that, and again mobile number. So in simple manner I've created, and last one put comment and take this to paragraph. This created, and link this to Google Sheet and click create, type name, contact us, close this. Click settings, settings, nothing much. Click the preview button, have a look once. Okay, it's good. Now I wanted to link this to your web page. So how do I do that? So scroll down here in the insert area. There is an option called as Google Form. So click the form, and whatever forms you created in your login ID, so which are available. So browse for the things what you created, like contact us. Click insert. So it has been added now. You can able to see. So click and drag. So take the control of left space and right space. Okay, then finally, if everything is okay, then click publish. Again you click see the drafted one. So have a view published site, and if you scroll down, and you can have this is a contact us page. So click the first page here, and you can have these many options. Then when you click for contact us, it comes like this. Okay, so close if everything is satisfied, no problem. Suppose I wanted to see the preview of the uh, website when people are using different devices, like mobile view. Okay, so this is your mobile view. Look at this. This is what responsive, auto responsive design. The size automatically reduced according to the devices. And this is a view for tablet. See the same website, responsive design. And again go for desktop. This is the large screen. Okay, and finally exit from the preview now. So this is your view, preview. So next again come back to about us. So again what you do, download some image about us, press send. So you choose whichever is suitable for the website and download it. Come back. What should I do now? Click insert and insert an image. Just click and drag. Then take about Kaustuba computer and laptop services. So take some text here and write make it bold, increase size 16 to 18 is enough, and change the color. So right now as we have only 3, and better you select that image. Cast I will be select from the Google itself, you select, upload it, insert. It's taking time, and the line space, remove the line space before and after. So the next important thing is to put some text and also images. I'll be taking this part. So I will look once, then go for what type of assistance you are providing for the audience. So right click and image. So click here and select and upload the images. So what you do is go to this part. So here itself you load it. Move like this, and here you type computer and laptop services. It's enough, and I will look once. So go to publish, publish it, and view this. View published site, and you can see this. There's a contact us, home, about us, and contact us. So go to the first page. So there is some settings. Mm, view tools. Okay, so view tools is okay. Okay, everything is configured here. Okay, if you wanted to analyze your analytics, like how many people's clicked your website, okay, so from where you are getting responses, then you have to connect your website to Google Analytics. Okay, so click on this, go to settings, think, okay, everything is done. So in the about us page, so I wanted to have some YouTube video links. So then what you have to do is just simply click insert and YouTube and enter some videos. Just double click the video, start to play. So select that exact size how you want it to have. So like this you can insert this videos. So again publish this. So what you do, publish. So publish. So in the bottom, if you would like to insert social media icons, so click the social media icons and add it. For example, Facebook, then YouTube, then Twitter. Okay, then click insert. So according to that link, which has to be generated. So still I did not created any web business pages for Facebook and Twitter link. So that's why it's not updated here. Okay, so finally means I'm going to deleting this, it's not required. But here you can have a calendar also in the bottom. Mm, take this holidays in India and insert. Just you click and drag. So this is how it is integrating. Then publish it. So click publish. Then click view published site. Check the content. So like this, go to contact us. So scroll down, then home. Now finally what you have to do is, once it is created, share me the link. So to share the link, what you have to do, go to publish settings and you copy this http something and all, it's updated. Copy this link and share that in WhatsApp. Okay, so everyone must create this website. So whichever I have shown you, like home, then about us, contact us, and you try to create with services. Okay, so similar like that, you create and you share me the link. you have any doubts, you ask me. This is all about Google site. Is it okay? Will you able to create? So I will share that link in WhatsApp. You can refer this, whatever I created, and follow that. And you also create and you share me whatever you are going to be creating website, and I will give you the review points. So without website, we cannot able to create ads and all. So make ensure that website is mandatory. So improve your skills for creating this. Okay, if you don't have a logo, you create a logo, create a what is that, about us, contact us, home pages, images, and even you can download it from the internet. So keep that ready, where what content is required and how it is to be presented in the web pages, and finally publish it, and finally share that. But in the real time, what you have to do is, there is an option, you have to purchase a domain name. So click the startup button, connect your real time domain from where you have purchased. I have shown you yesterday, like purchasing the domain name and hosting. So from there, they will provide you that the records, IP address, and other details. So if you enter that information, then immediately your website is ready to get into the public area. Clear? So see you all in the next class. Uh, Before I conduct next class, like today's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday till evening, Monday till evening 6 o'clock, you have enough of time. So create website. So seriously, you take this and create it. Okay, so almost 32 participants are there in the room. So I wanted to have a 32 links. Okay, I don't want to be like some other reasons to get in the WhatsApp. Okay, so share me the link. So see you all
Sir,
in the next class.
sir, should everyone buy a domain?
No, 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 don't want to buy. So how I have shown you, follow the same thing: home page, contact us page, about us page, services page.
Okay,
Okay, so use your ideas. After this, you use your idea and you create other two three extra pages and share me that.
okay, sir.
If you're stuck in the middle, just you ping me in WhatsApp, then I will reply for that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so see you all. Bye.